In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know how to combine multiple PDFs into one cohesive deck and present it cleanly in full screen using simple controls that keep the focus on your content. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Any recent version will work. If you're using the free reader, the presentation flow is the same, though some tools may appear in slightly different places depending on your layout. Give the app a second to load so all the panels are visible. Next, gather the PDFs you want to present. If your slides or handouts are split across several files, you can merge them first. Look for the Combine Files option in the toolbar or the Tools panel. Click it, then add the PDFs you want. You can drag and drop them directly into the window, and you'll see a visual layout of each file. Arrange them in the order you plan to present by dragging the thumbnails. Remove anything you don't need, then click Combine. Acrobat will stitch everything into a single PDF, which makes presenting smoother and prevents you from switching windows mid-talk. Save that combined file with a clear name so you can find it quickly. Once your combined PDF opens, look to the right-hand panel. This panel holds helpful controls for viewing and managing pages. If you don't see it, hover near the edge or click the small arrow to expand it. You want quick access to your pages and display options before you start presenting. In that panel, find the page icon. Clicking it opens the page-specific options. Here, you can quickly preview thumbnails and confirm your page order. This view is handy for a last check to make sure nothing is out of place. If needed, you can adjust the sequence by dragging thumbnails and the changes update instantly. When you're ready to present, switch to full screen mode. This displays your PDF without menus or distractions, turning it into a clean slide deck. Once you're in full screen, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move forward and backward through the pages. Left and right arrows, or up and down, will do the trick. If you need to pause and exit, press the Escape key. A quick tip: move your mouse lightly to reveal minimal on-screen controls if you need them, then let it rest to keep the view uncluttered. That's it. Combine your files, confirm the page layout, enter full screen, and navigate with the arrows for a smooth, professional presentation in Adobe Acrobat.